Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English with Jerry. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Alex. Hello, friends.
Today we have a very special episode. Morning Routine English Conversation. We will talk about everything we do in the morning. This is perfect for daily English speaking practice.
Yes, if you want to improve your English, listening and speaking about your daily life is one of the best ways. Today, you will learn useful phrases, hear real conversations, and practice with us.
Whether you are a beginner or you just want more confidence, this episode is for you. We will go slow, repeat everything, and explain clearly.
Before we start, please do one small thing for us. Hit the like button if you are ready to practice English today. And subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new lesson. Turn on the notification bell too. Thank you so much. It really helps us make more episodes for you.
Okay, let's begin. Alex, what is the first thing you do every morning?
Well, Jerry, my alarm clock rings and I wake up. But sometimes I press snooze.
Great! Listeners, repeat after me. I wake up.
Wake up.
Good job. Now, I set my alarm clock.
Set my alarm clock.
Excellent. Let's listen to a short morning dialogue.
Good morning, Emily. Did you wake up on time?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, my alarm rang at 7 o'clock, but I pressed snooze 2 times.
Okay. Now get up and brush your teeth.
All right, I'm getting up.
Did you understand? Let's discuss. Alex, what new phrases did we hear?
We heard good morning, wake up, alarm rang, pressed snooze, and get up. These are very common morning words.
Yes, get up means to leave your bed. Wake up means to stop sleeping. They are a little different.
Listeners, repeat. I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 6:30.
Very good. Now say, I get up at 7 o'clock.
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Perfect. You're doing great already.
Let's continue with the next part of the morning routine. After getting up, what do you do, Alex?
I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Nice. Useful phrases: wash my face, brush my teeth, use toothpaste.
Let's listen to another short conversation.
What do you do after you get up?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake.
Same here. I also use face wash in the morning. Great dialogue. Feel awake is a good expression. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Cold water helps me feel awake.
Cold water helps me feel awake.
You are improving already. Keep practicing with us.
Now, let's talk about taking a shower. Many people take a shower in the morning.
Yes. Phrases: take a shower, have a quick shower, hot shower, cold shower.
I like a hot shower in winter. It feels nice.
In summer, I prefer a cold shower. It wakes me up fast.
Listeners, your turn. Say out loud, I take a shower every morning.
Excellent. Now, I have a quick shower.
You sound more confident already. Good job.
After the shower, we get dressed. What do you wear, Alex?
I wear comfortable clothes for work, shirt and pants. Sometimes I wear jeans if it is casual Friday.
Good. Phrases: get dressed, put on my clothes, wear a shirt.
Let's listen to a longer morning routine dialogue now.
Honey, it's already 7:15. Did you get dressed?
Almost. I just finished my shower. I'm putting on my blue shirt now.
Good. Breakfast is ready. I made eggs and toast.
Thank you. I'm coming. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. Black coffee for me.
Okay, I'll make it quickly.
Wow, that was a nice family conversation. What did you notice, Alex?
We heard, get dressed, putting on my blue shirt, breakfast is ready, made eggs and toast, and black coffee. These are super useful.
Yes, let's practice more. Repeat. I get dressed after my shower.
I get dressed after my shower.
I wear comfortable clothes.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Fantastic. Now let's move to breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right?
Absolutely. I usually have a quick breakfast.
What is your quick breakfast, Alex?
My quick breakfast is a banana and a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat oatmeal.
Nice and healthy. I like eggs, bread with butter, and orange juice.
Listeners, tell us in your mind, what do you eat for breakfast?
Let's listen to a breakfast conversation.
Mom, can I have cereal today?
Sure. Here is the milk. Do you want fruit too?
Yes, please. An apple.
Good morning, everyone. I'll make some fresh coffee.
Thanks, dear. I already toasted the bread.
Perfect. Let's eat together before work.
That sounded so real and warm. Alex, explain some phrases.
Can I have cereal? Polite request. Here is the milk. Do you want fruit too? I'll make some fresh coffee. Let's eat together.
Repeat with me. I have breakfast at 7:30.
I have breakfast at 7:30.
My favorite breakfast is eggs and toast.
My favorite breakfast is eggs and toast.
You're doing so well. Keep repeating these sentences every day. That's how you improve speaking.
After breakfast, some people exercise. Do you exercise in the morning, Jerry?
Yes, I go for a short run or do yoga. It gives me energy.
Great. Phrases: go for a run, do yoga, exercise in the morning, stay healthy.
Let's hear a quick exercise talk.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a 20-minute run. It wakes me up completely.
Wow. I only do 10 minutes of yoga at home.
That's also good. Any exercise is better than none.
Nice encouragement there. Any exercise is better than none.
Repeat. I go for a run every morning.
I go for a run every morning.
I do yoga to stay healthy.
I do yoga to stay healthy.
Excellent work, everyone.
Now, many people check their phone in the morning. Is that good or bad?
It depends. I check the weather and news quickly.
Phrases: check my phone, look at the weather, read the news, scroll social media.
Let's listen.
What are you doing?
I'm checking the weather. It might rain today.
Oh, then I need my umbrella. Did you see any important news?
Not really. I just scrolled Instagram for 5 minutes.
Okay, don't spend too much time. We have to leave soon.
Good point about time. Don't spend too much time.
Repeat. I check my phone after breakfast.
I check my phone after breakfast.
I look at the weather every morning.
I look at the weather every morning.
Perfect.
Let's talk about leaving the house.
Yes, I pack my bag. I leave the house at 8:30. I go to work. I catch the bus.
Here's a final full morning routine conversation. Listen carefully.
Hey, Alex, tell me about your typical morning.
Sure. I wake up at 6:45 when my alarm rings. I press snooze once, then I get up. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a quick shower.
Sounds good. What next?
I get dressed, usually shirt and trousers. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. My quick breakfast is oatmeal with banana. I also drink black coffee.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do 15 minutes of yoga. It helps me feel energetic. After that, I check my phone for messages and the weather.
Then?
I pack my bag, say goodbye to my family, and leave the house at 8:15. I catch the bus to the office.
That's a very organized morning.
Thank you. What about your morning?
I wake up at 7. I like to listen to English podcasts while I get ready. I have eggs for breakfast. Then I walk to work instead of taking the bus. It's good exercise.
Wow, that was a complete conversation. Listeners, you just heard many useful sentences.
Let's recap all the key phrases slowly. Key phrases recap. I wake up at. My alarm clock rings. I press snooze. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. My quick breakfast is. I drink coffee/tea. I go for a run. I do yoga. I check my phone. I look at the weather. I pack my bag. I leave the house at. I go to work/school.
Repeat each one 3 times today. That will help your memory and pronunciation.
You did amazing today. Seriously, you practiced a lot of real English. Be proud of yourself.
Before we finish, here is a fun community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments. Do you wake up early? What is your favorite breakfast? We read every comment.
Share your morning routine with us. Maybe we can make a future episode with your ideas.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us. You are improving every single day. Keep going.
See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends. Take care.